Hey, it's Saturday, time to do a little exploring. Today we're going to head down to Colorado Springs and check out Garden of the Gods.
Garden of the Gods is a really cool place to visit. They have different types of paths there. They have flat paved paths if you're not a hiker, and then also a little bit more challenging paths that go around the garden as well. And then in addition, it's a hot spot for rock climbing. It's unusual not to see rock climbers there. It's definitely a favorite spot with those really cool steep sheer rocks.
Let's go ahead and get this adventure started. Hey, we're the Mountain Nomads.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Brett.
If you are seeking adventure in the everyday, then you're in the right place.
Join us as we explore around Colorado and beyond.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
Garden of the Gods is bringing a little weather our way. So it's thundering and hasn't lightened much, but it's on the horizon for sure. It's a really nice day still. I think this is only calling to be here for another half hour or so. So hopefully it'll miss us and blow by. But it's really nice. Not as crowded as we were expecting, so that's super nice. But it's in the mid-70s today. Feels super nice, and just a nice little drive down here from Denver. It was only a little over an hour, and get to explore these awesome rock formations.
Down here to take a hike. As you can see, that's not a great idea right now. It's raining super hard. It's starting to hail. We got like a tiny walk in, and now the weather has just kind of turned bad.
Did get to see the great rock formations for a while right before it did start raining, but some weather is coming through right now pretty good. So it's a downpour and tiny hail, but it's actually even letting up a little bit as of now in the last minute or so. But we'll see how the weather here is here for a little bit. We'll actually park and see what happens, but interesting day for sure. Glad we didn't get caught in on a 3-mile trail during the middle of this and get soaked. That didn't happen.
There. No matter where the lightning is in front of us, you get it. These guys are light. Never seen rain before. shows he's a tough dog and isn't scared of thunderstorms. It's very loud!
This is one heck of a rainstorm we have here. Kind of glad that we just stopped, and it's really awesome to watch. It's really powerful, big lightning and thunder and super hard, intense rain and hail that was coming down super hard. That was, I don't know, gravel pea size in that realm. So we'll see how bad my car is after this. But glad we weren't driving in it. We at least did get to park and have a great view of all the rock formations here at Garden of the Gods, but in a torrential downpour, extreme thunderstorm.
So I'm looking at my weather app and it says a lightning strike happened recently in your area, 0 miles north of you, which I feel like is about right.
Well, that didn't go as planned.
Now we waited around for a little while to see if the clouds would clear and the storm would go away, but it just didn't seem like it was gonna pass in a timely manner, so we ended up packing it up and heading home.
Yeah, we thought the thunderstorm was gonna last maybe 10 minutes and just be a little light sprinkle, but that certainly was not the case. It thundered and lightninged and rain, torrential downpour and hail, and it was an all-out thunderstorm.
We got super lucky though, because we were able to find a parking spot pretty near to where we were hiking, and once it started drizzling we headed back to the car pretty quickly. A lot of other people did not make that decision quick enough, and when we were driving out, I mean, they were just getting hailed and rained on and people were running. It was just pandemonium trying to leave the park.
Yeah, we were planning on doing a good hike that was 2 or 3 miles, and certainly glad we didn't adventure that far out and just get stuck out far away and get completely soaked and the dog soaked. We actually had a fantastic parking spot that was right in the middle, super close to everything, and we were able to get back to the car pretty quick when it did start raining.
Yep, so it's not the day that we planned, but it's the day that we had, and just one of the risks you run hiking outside, especially in the summertime when there's afternoon thunderstorms. But we ended up having a good Saturday overall.
Yeah, still made an adventure out of nothing.
Alright, if you liked our video, make sure you like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next one, guys.